Good morning, folks. Let's begin chapter 8, Soil and its importance. What is soil? Soil is a thin layer on the surface of the earth. What is its importance? It is because of soil that plants have their roots and animals live on it. It also contains air, water, and even germs. How is this soil formed? The soil is formed when rocks break down into smaller pieces due to the action of wind, water, heat, cold, and seasons. This breaking down of rocks is called as weathering. What does the soil contain? Soil contains rocks, minerals, dead plants and animals called humus. It also contains air, water, small worms, insects, bacteria, and organisms. Why do we need soil? Plants get their nutrients to make food and grow from the soil. Animals get their food from plants. We use materials from the soil for construction. For example, clay to make bricks. In soil, there are three types. One is sandy soil, which is in the form of sand and the particles are little big. You have clayey soil, which is very smooth. And then you have loamy soil. Loamy soil is the soil that helps in gardening and in agriculture because it can hold water better than a sandy soil, and it also can drain water better than the clayey soil. The soil has three layers. You have the topsoil, the subsoil, and the bedrock. When we talk about the topsoil is the one which is on the top, which is rich in humus, which has nutrients, water, and air. The next layer is the subsoil. The subsoil contains rocks, less humus, less water, and less air when compared to the topsoil. The last layer is the bedrock. The bedrock is also called as parent rock. This bedrock helps to support the other upper layers. Very often, soil erosion takes place. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion means the removal of the fertile soil, that is the topmost soil, by forces like wind and water. What are the causes of soil erosion? One of the causes of soil erosion is water. When water flows fast, it carries fertile soil along with it. For example, when the river flows very fast from the mountainside, it carries along with it fertile soil. This causes soil erosion. Another reason for soil erosion is wind. Wherever there are no plants to hold the soil, the wind blows and takes away the topsoil. Another reason is human activity. All of us know that roots of plants hold the soil, but we humans, we have destroyed forest just to grow crops, and we use the forest wood for firewood. We cut down forest. This is called as deforestation. Another reason is overgrazing is another cause for soil erosion. It is our duty to preserve and protect the topsoil. How to protect the topsoil? There are methods to be followed. One of the method is afforestation. When I say afforestation is we need to grow more plants. Another method is using soil cover. Wherever we cannot grow plants, we should at least grow grass and cover the area so that the soil can be held by the roots of the grass. Another method is counter ploughing. Counter ploughing is ploughing the land in curves, especially on slopes, just to slow down the flowing of water. Another is terrace farming. This is practiced on the mountains, where the mountains are cut to look like steps. This helps water flow down slowly, which will prevent soil erosion. Another way to preserve soil is by growing shelter belts. Growing shelter belts means growing of bushy plants on flat lands or along the edges of the land from taking away the topsoil. I hope this lesson has taught you as to what you can do or what your role can be in preserving the most precious part of the earth, and that is soil.